Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to set up email forwarding in Squarespace. This feature lets you redirect emails from your custom domain to an existing inbox, like your personal Gmail or Outlook. It's a fantastic way to maintain a professional appearance without needing a separate email hosting service. We'll cover everything from initial access to final verification, ensuring your messages reach the right place. Let's dive in and get your email forwarding configured efficiently. Before we begin, there are a couple of important prerequisites. First, email forwarding is a complementary feature for domains managed directly by Squarespace. If your domain is with a third-party provider, you'll need to set up forwarding through them. Second, this feature is for domains without an existing custom email service, such as Google Workspace. If you have one, you'll manage forwarding through that provider. Once ready, log into your Squarespace account and head to your account dashboard. Now let's create your forwarding rule. From your account dashboard, click on Domains and select the specific domain you wish to configure. Next, click on the Email option, then scroll down to find the Email Forwarding section. Here, you'll click Add Rule. In the Forward From field, enter your desired alias like info for info at your domain. .com. You can also use an asterisk for a catch-all address. Then, input your existing email address in the forward to field and click Save. The final, crucial step is verification and testing. After saving your rule, Squarespace will send a verification email to the forward to address you provided. You must open this email and click the verification link to activate the forwarding. Keep in mind that it can take up to 48 hours for these changes to fully propagate across the internet. Once verified, and after waiting a bit, send a test email to your new alias to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.